Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts, tap on Add Contact, and click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!